magic unicorn.
Hello little unicorns, it's Chilipili. Today we are going to draw a cutest crab ever and a starfish. Are you guys ready to draw with me? Let's start with the crab's body. I have drawn an oval for the shell and now I'm drawing its big cute eyes and a big happy mouth. I love drawing, it's so fun to draw. Try to draw with me. Now let's draw crab's claws and its leg. Did you know crabs have 10 legs, but we usually see 8 walking legs and 2 pinchers? Let's have some fun and add underwater plants. Let's draw some seabirds, make it wiggly, tall and add some leaf if you want. Just get creative. How can we forget starfish when it's underwater fun drawing, right? Let's draw a starfish with cute little eyes and a smile. Let's color it. I'm coloring my crab with orange and yellow. So basic, right? But you do you, make it colorful. You can also add some bubbles rising from your crab, like draw a circles big and small and color them light blue or leave them white for glossy look. Are you guys ready for a crab's fashion secret? Some crabs decorate their shells with seaweed and little shells, like rocking fancy underwater crowns to hide from predators. Isn't that totally fantastic? I have colored the crab's tongue with red color. Let's give star a galaxy glow. I'm using blue color to color the starfish. What color seaweed do you want? Emerald green, electric blue or rainbow strip? Use your imagination and make it so colorful. Did you know crabs are the ultimate side steppers? Their legs bend best that way, so they squat sideways like they are busting a funky dance move. Isn't their crab walk the silliest shuffle under the sea? Did you know starfish don't have brain? Instead, they use a network of nerves in each arm to think. Wow! Some starfish can glow in dark or change color to match its surrounding. That's awesome, right?
Amazing!
I love drawing and coloring the crab with you guys. Hope you guys loved it. Please subscribe to my channel.